Hey guys, it's Jessa and I'm here today to show you all around the Canva Content Planner, which is amazing actually. I'm really surprised at how fantastic this tool is because it allows you to post to so many social media channels, including Facebook groups, which I've never heard of. I've never sort of found a scheduler which can schedule to Facebook groups. So I'm really excited to show you. Just before we get started, if you don't know what Canva is, it is a graphic design tool online. It's just an app that you can use in your browser. I think there is an iPad and also phone version as well. So it is very accessible. There is a free version. Today we are going to be using one of the pro features. Now I think it's about $17 Australian a month if you do want to upgrade to pro. And I do have a pro account because I use this tool every single day and I think it's definitely worth it. So the Content Planner is a pro tool. And you can see here I am at canva.com. So we're going to start by making a little graphic for social media. So I'm going to jump into the search bar. I'm going to type social media post. And whenever you search for anything in this search bar, it's going to bring up a heap of templates that you can sort of start from. So these are really great. As you can see, like there's so many and they're all beautiful. So I am going to use this one today because I'm going to do a quote. So I'm going to click that and open it up. Beautiful. Now I am going to quickly go through and tweak this to my branding colors. And I might just update the photo in the background to one of my favorite flat lays. Beautiful. So that is ready for us to schedule now. So it's really, really easy. Up in the top right hand corner, you've got the three dots. All you have to do is click schedule. And what that is going to do is it's going to bring up a calendar and a time. So let's say we want to schedule this for tomorrow. I will click the 28th. And let's say I want to do 36 p.m. We'll go next. And I already have my group set up in here. But if you want to add a new channel, you just click select the channel and you can go through and connect it. So I'll just go through and I'll connect Pinterest. And basically what this does is it just connects to the app, whether it's Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, and you're just going to grant Canva permission to automatically post to that platform. So I'm going to give that access to my Pinterest. And that is now connected, which is awesome. So it's just asking me to pick a board. So it's all connected, which is fantastic. So we're not going to be doing Pinterest today. Today we are going to be posting to the Facebook group. Now I can write a little caption here. So I might just repeat the quote. And go back to schedule. Ooh. Beautiful, and we're going to hit schedule post. Awesome, so that is scheduled. Now I'm going to show you the actual planner, which is, it's a really, really cool functional calendar where you can sort of move things around and it's really, really usable. So that is the post that we just scheduled. It's already sitting in our calendar for tomorrow, which is awesome. So we can actually grab that and we can drag it around. And you can also click on it and you can change the time and the date there as well. Beautiful. So I really love this. I love that you can schedule two groups. As I said, I haven't found that feature before and I really like that about it. The one downfall of this scheduler is you can only schedule the design that you do once in the schedule of schedules, if that makes sense. So if, for example, you have a group where you want to post recurring posts, so it's the same post every single Monday, you would actually have to recreate that file and make a copy of that for all the Mondays that you want to repost it on. So that is the only downfall of this tool. So for example, here I've got these which are posted to my Facebook group. And to actually have those posts every single week, I can't set it to automatically recur. I have to recreate the post and schedule it again. So yeah, but otherwise I really, really like it. I love that you can schedule to multiple social media channels as well. So I can actually set this to post to my Pinterest, my Instagram, my Facebook group, my Facebook page, all of those. I think there's even Twitter in there. So really, really functional, saves a lot of time. It's quite visual in the way that you can use it. And it's very, very usable in terms of how you can sort of reschedule posts, things like that. So anyway, I really encourage you to jump on in and give it a try if you do have a pro Canva account. I think that you'll love it. I certainly do. And yeah, it's definitely made me think about using it for my business. It's a great tool. I highly recommend it. Have a lovely day, afternoon, morning, wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you soon.